whatever is presented in the scriptures, we have to accept it. Not that we have to accept it, but it's meant to be accepted. Like for example, when somebody goes to study in the university, can he question the authenticity of the books that has been presented? Can he question what the teacher is saying? No, one has to accept. Somebody who is studying medicine, he cannot say, oh, these books on medicine are not right. They are not important. Or what the teacher is saying, oh, that's not right. I know better than the teacher. Then can he learn? No. So when we want to study something, we have to accept these two aspects: the authority of the books and the authority of the teachers. We have to accept if we want to make spiritual advancement. About these two things, there cannot be any question. Of course, for that matter, the important thing is to find the right teacher. But once we find the right teacher, then we cannot question his authority. A student or a seeker can seek and search, but when he finds the right teacher,